Yep.
Run!
That was a good run. And no flag this time. Yay. He sat there and read that all the way. Because he sat down, you could see him hunkering down right here, looking for it.